Model, 2017 Peugeot Boxer Ducato Relay 335 Pro L3h2 Blue HDI runs spares or repairs EGR. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 157880. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. EGR cooler is leaking and will need repairing or replacing. Nice easy job for someone. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, cruise control, electric windows, sat-nav, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.